Howdy everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare these yummy cranberry meatballs, which can be served as an hors d'oeuvre or with your favorite side dish. Now if you want to see how I put this together, keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to be taking this package of meatballs and I'm going to microwave them just to defrost them and get them a little bit warm. Next, I sliced up a medium yellow onion. Slice up or chop up as much onion as you prefer. To a hot pan, add your favorite cooking oil and your onions and saute them. Next, I'm going to open a 14-ounce can of jellied cranberry sauce. Of course, open up your favorite. All right, so my onions have been sauteing for about a couple minutes now. You'll saute yours to your preference. If you want to caramelize them, then go ahead and do so. I'm going to add some salt or sprinkle some salt in there and sprinkle some pepper as well. And now I'm adding my defrosted meatballs and I'm just going to stir this around. Keep an eye on everything so that my onions don't burn. And I just want to heat up my meatballs. I do have it at a low temperature, a low to medium temperature. All right, so now I'm going to add the cranberry sauce, which I went ahead and I chopped up with a knife right on this plate. And we're going to stir it all in. Next, I'm going to add about 6 ounces of this Heinz chili sauce. And we're going to stir all that in. And optional is to sprinkle in some crushed red pepper, or you can just leave it as is. It depends on how spicy you like things. All right, everyone, so I have plated these yummy cranberry meatballs and I've served them up with some sweet potato mash. Of course, serve them with whatever your favorite side dish is. You could also serve them up as an appetizer with some of that yummy cranberry sauce on the side and just put on some toothpicks in there and let everyone just dip right in and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'm gonna give myself a big old thumbs up and I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and share on your social medias. Also, make sure you hit all the notifications so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. There's a new little button there called a hype button. I would really appreciate you hyping my video for today. Thank you all once again for watching, and as always, enjoy.